Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audioconcepts, and what do we have in the workshop today? We have a VW T6.1. Customer came in, used to have a big sound system back in the days. Now he's grown up and he wanted something awesome, the best, because he can afford whatever he wanted now, but wanted it to be stealth, so when the family jump in, it all looks okay. We fitted the Alpine 11-inch Halo, which is the biggest and best unit we sell. I've just shown you the back plate, which comes from Alpine's fitting kit. Just need to clean the static. We've also added the controller in to give you all the car features, so nothing is lost, everything is retained. A nice huge 11-inch screen. We've kept the factory reverse camera working, and these are the Alpine Adventure tweeters with the chrome grille. We've put the mids in there, fully soundproofed the doors. And then under the passenger seat, we fitted an R-style 4-channel amplifier, which is very powerful, which actually gives the Adventure speakers more power. And then under the driver's seat, we have added an 8-inch sub running off the amplifier. What can I say? Amazing results, plenty of volume and sounds punchy. We love this. The customer had a demonstration and was blown away. He wasn't expecting it to be this good, but when you buy Alpine, what do you expect? We set the expectations high, and the result that we execute is very high. Something like this interests you? Come and see me. My name's Waz. I'm in Cardiff.